Hi guys, you're welcome back to Webily Concept TV. Guys, we are currently on tiles installation in Ondo State. So we are in Ondo for tile projects. So just want to show you some update about the installation in progress. We have about 2 structural design on a single land. We have a duplex and we have about 3 flats of a 2-bedroom apartment, and this is a mighty project and we are here for the installation. So guys, let's see how we have been able to achieve the progress of this project, and is currently taking much of our time. So guys, you're welcome back to Webily Concept TV. We are back for your back-to-back video. So let's see what is going on in this project. Stock. We have load of tiles, wall 25 by 40 for the BQ, then the wall 30 by 60 for the master apartment, which is the main building, the duplex area. We are selecting bigger tiles for it, and we have a wall. So these are wall tiles for the toilets and laundry areas. Then this is what we are selecting for the this is for toilet floor. Then laying has begun. This is ṣe ẹ jẹ́ kí pásítọ̀ mọ̀ pé wọ́n ń pọn mi bíbá.
wọ́n ní pásítọ̀ rẹ̀ máa tó wá lánàá yẹn wọ́n ló lọ bí pásítọ̀ tó tán tó wá kan.
Okay.
Bàbá tí ó wá lánàá ó yẹ kí n bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà lọ́wọ́.
This is the work so far. This is the BQ apartment. Ibi ayé BQ mo wà báyìí. This is the first BQ. Yeah. So we need the first thing is the wall. At you achieve almost all the walls of the key of the. So this is the wardrobe area for this first BQ. So this is the first toilet of the room. Mo ń lọ sí toilet kejì. So this is another toilet of the BQ. So these two have been achieved. So wọ́n máa ṣe wardrobe yìí náà. Then first flat, the kitchen is also on. The kitchen of the first flat. So the kitchen is on as well. Someone is adding this. This is the first BQ. Then we are going to another BQ. This is the flat 2 of the BQ. Flat 2 of the BQ. This is the flat 2. So this flat 2 wall. This is room 1 toilet, and this is the wardrobe area. Wardrobe relay. Then this is the room 2. Room 2. The wall and the wardrobe have been achieved. So we are going to the kitchen of the flat 2. This is the kitchen. So the kitchen is now. So flat 2 is flat 3 mo fẹ́ lọ báyìí. The BQ. Flat 3 lele báyìí. Toilet lele. Been done. Then the wall of the wardrobe. Flat 3. Then the kitchen is about to start. The kitchen wall first. Stock. We have load of tiles, wall 25 by 40 for the big cube, then the wall 30 by 60 for the master apartment, which is the main building, the duplex area. We are selecting bigger tiles for it, and we have the wall. So these are wall tiles for the toilets and laundry areas. Then this is what we are selecting for the. This is for toilet floor. Then laying has begun. Ìbẹ̀lẹ̀ yín ti ń ṣiṣẹ́. Ṣé ẹ jẹ́ kí pásítọ̀ mọ̀ pé wá ń pọn mi bíbá?
Wọ́n ní pásítọ̀ máa tó wá lánàá yẹn. Wọ́n ló sọ pé pásítọ̀ tó tán pé wá kan.
Ok.
Bàbá tí ó wá lánàá. Ó yẹ kí n bèrè náà bàbá tó sọ pé ṣáà ìlànà ní ara ò.
Ẹ bá yẹ ti bá wọn lọ sọ̀rọ̀.
Yọ̀ ọ́.